Okay, so good morning class. Now,
Good
excuse
morning,
my
ma'am.
cough because I'm not feeling well lately. So, pasensya na because I love you as my student, so I need to go here.
Wow.
Yes. So, good day everyone.
Good
day,
ma'am.
Okay, so for today's learning, I will tackle about poetry is emotion. So, what comes to your mind when we say poetry?
Tula.
Yes, then.
Tula, ma'am.
Okay. How about you, Chris?
Bali ang mga words na gina-express mo. Ang gina-express mo ang feeling through writing.
Okay. So, perfect. So, when we say emotion naman, what comes to your mind?
Movement, action,
Okay, movement, action, gesture. So, what do you think poetry and motion is connected? What do you think that poetry is motion is connected?
Poetry and motion.
I mean, can you elaborate it?
Kung ano ang gina-express sa poetry, ipakita mo through dance or...
Okay. Very good. It's because we were gonna dance. So today, I will discuss to you what is poetry is motion. So poetry is motion is the artistic incorporates the expressive movements, and actually it is also do it in a theatrical performance that involves siya sa physicality, choreography, and body language, and even conveying a message or storytelling to enhance kung ano ang ginapahiwatig sa imong dance or something performance. So, na siya ang poetry is motion. Then, when we combine poetry and motion, it provides a powerful medium for storytelling where ang actors' movements become a language of their own. So, it adds that symbolism and visual presentation na manamit sa atin niya. Actually, I want to share with you guys, since back when I was in my college days, I am member of Teatro Tayo, yes, under supervision of Professor Ryan, Ulhanan, yes. And tawag ako actually may na-play ng mga yes.
Ano ba niya, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am.
My first role is Lin Ai, which is modeling, which is role ko is si Lin Ai, the mother, ang mother, yes. Excuse me, guys.
Can you share me some example like
Wow!
some ma'am?
Oh my gosh, wala sa time eh.
Sorry, ma'am.
This, ang Ate Kita. So, Ate Kita, actually, Lina and Ate Kita is both a poetry is motion, where I actually do it in a poetic way, in a poetic delivery, and Ate Kita is a dance drama naman. It's all about some movement. And also, nagano siya sa poetic way na paghambal. So, I know excited ako sa ating first activity, but before that, we'll have a poetry analysis. So, okay, so everyone, all you need to do is to pay attention kung ano mga symbolism, words, or something hint or clue kung ano ang ina-convey sa atin na point. Since I'm not feeling well, Alea, can you please read it for me? Thank you.
Kahit lumipas ang mga araw, ang bawat patak ng luha ay patunay na ako'y hindi pa nakakaahon. Habang siya'y naglalakbay ng malayo, ako'y nakatira sa mga alaala at sakit ng kahapon.
Okay, so what do you think this poem convey? Ano ang iyang message? Okay, yung emotion, sad.
Grief.
Okay, grief. Ano pa? Feel nyo anong mga characters? Sino ang character dito?
Couple.
Okay, couple. Din ang settings.
Sa plaza.
Sa park, sa plaza, or like sa house. Bintana.
Okay, very good. Dati ba kayo nag-write ng mga poems?
Minsan po.
Minsan lang. Okay. So this time, we're not going to write it, but to act it. Okay? So, since Luluya, kita actually si Ma'am Luluya man, you need to stand out. And let's do a warm up. So, this warm up is basically we perform every rehearsals naman during when I was in college. So, we will do the 8 circles, which is the neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, upper torso, hips, knees, and ankles. So, let's do the first and next. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, reverse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and shoulder 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, reverse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and elbow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, reverse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and wrist 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, reverse 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, upper torso, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1, and hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
3, 2, 1. Angkot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, shake your body. This time, let's do the tension and release. Okay, in order to avoid injuries sa ating mga swing ng mga activity. Okay. Find your space. Make sure nga hindi ka mo iwanan. Okay. When I say tension, actually when we say tension, it is the state of being stretching it, ang inyong tightness, ang inyong body, ang inyong firmness. Okay, then when we tension, dapat ma-explore sa ating levels, which is ang low, middle, high. Okay, and tension, explore, tension, and release. Okay, another one, last one. Explore and tension, and release. Wow, bongga. Na-pressure. So, alin ang ating activity, which is entitled freeze frame, but in a tableau position. So, I have here some random images or pictures in a ball. Wow. Yes, okay, I will divide the class into 2. So this one is a group 1. Your name will be tension, and this group 2 will be release. Okay, so I want you to have a representative or leader na mag-group sa ito nga. Okay. So, okay na. And after that, you need to brainstorming on how na-visualize nyo sa amo na nga image. Okay? So, I will give you 2 minutes to brainstorm. Okay na? Please give me a thumbs up if it's clear and okay. So, I guess group 1 is prepared, and of course, you need to perform it. So the rest will be, you need to support sa inyong mga co-actors when they performing, okay? Then you, also, you need to guess kung ano ilagay na pakita. Okay? When we say cheese, you need to pause lang as a freeze lang. Yun. Then, kung mag-say naman ko, release, you need to explore and move. Then, when we say unfreeze, you need to cut na yun. Then, you need to,
Say na.
and 1, 2, 3, say cheese! Cheese! Okay, so, what do you think? Ang ilan na pakita.
Ano sila?
Kahoy, ma'am.
Okay, kahoy.
Or ano ma'am? Stop ko ma'am.
Okay, statue. Okay, release. So, ano naman na pinapakita? In order to be clear.
Bagyo ma'am.
Lagyan na bang view? Like,
Ang
kahoy.
Stop. Stop ko. Hindi. Kahoy na lang po ma'am. Lagyan na bagyo.
okay. And go, continue moving. And unfreeze. So, thank you, group 1. So, group 1, ano inyo malabing?
Kahoy, ma'am.
Okay, freeze.
Bali, explore namin namin movements ng like, yung hula-hula na kami. Siyempre, ang Paolo, hindi na mahulat, di ba naman?
Yes. So, team release. Ano ang inyong hint na napapagay sila?
Ang for yung mga ilang formation, ang
Okay,
position.
formation, position.
Ang unang may stage ko lang kay
Gusto ko lang yung
oo, doon na tuwanay lang ating actor. Pero nalagyan man ko sa akong partner siya. Ako niya upod na tawag siya.
Okay, thank you, group 1. So, group 2, please come on come on down. Come on here. Okay. Whenever you're ready, and mabalitas ng say cheese. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, say cheese! Okay, so what do you think? Ano na makita sa group 2?
Actually, then, ang feel ko siya is wave. Kasi
Okay.
kaya siya is sa manubalsa.
No.
Balsa.
Alin.
Same
Same
lang.
lang.
Pero mas do ka focus
Kay Lindsay.
um, for me, kay Chris, diba, ano,
Kaya
kay
siyang dominant din man kung tulog.
makita ko nga do big iyang movement.
Sa yung
Taas, sa taas siya.
Okay. Then release. Move. Door.
Di ba? Ay, babay siya.
Lalo ba yung mga lima?
So, ano, mas maganda.
Yes, ma'am.
And
ma'am.
unfreeze. Okay. Ang group 2, ano?
Yes, insakto sila ma. Nga wave si Linden, tapos ako ang Marco.
Ikaw ang garot.
Ay,
Ikaw ang
balsa.
Yes. So, thank you, group 2. So, ano naman yung mga floor niyo kung ano?
Hanggang movements na very, ano yun siya, like, obvious siya ma'am, no? Pero, I like how they, explore the levels, man. Super.
Wow. Okay, thank you everyone. So, another discussion naman is all about a dance drama. Connected yaman sa poetry is motion. So, what do you think? What is a dance drama? For you, I mean for your own thoughts now. For your own. Yes.
For me, ma'am, is bali daw type siya kang play, ma'am, pero very unique siya, ma'am. Kaya kapag deliver kang play, ma'am, hindi lang basta like dialogue, kundi through dance, na expressing the lines, the dialogue, and the feelings through action and dance.
Okay, and sino pa mag-share?
Ang binigay siya dyan, ma'am.
Okay, so may siya tanan. So dance drama is a form of theatrical performance wherein it integrates elements of both dance and drama, where also it combines storytelling, expressive movements, and choreography to convey narratives and emotions. Okay. So this dance drama, of course, nag-involve siya sa choreography, mga physicality man, sa ating mga body language, and Actually, same naman sila sa poetry explosion. So, hindi natin mapaligoy-ligoy pa. We'll have our last activity entitled, of course, dance drama. Kuya Ben. Yes. So, I have here 2 points. Actually, short points ang isa. Mga Tagalog. Because I am a fan of Tagalog. Wow! Tagalog. So, same groupings lang. Group 1 and group 2. So, all you need to do is to read it quietly, brainstorming with your group mates, and make it a dance choreography only, okay? Go lang, go lang. Go lang. May husband kasi.
Ikaw ba yung mga
Na, okay.
Yung play mo yun, man.
I-summarize nyo lang siya kung ano ang Ligatel Sang story, okay? Summarize nyo lang kung ano ang Ligatel Sang story.
Hindi ako ulit ko GL and yours love.
Depende sa inyo pag-interpret. Pwede man mananay at sa, pwede man nanay ito, or pwede man mag-siya.
Yung may mga. Napatay ka na yan.
Go. Actually, I will be playing some music para ma-enlighten ang mga movie.
Bakit ako mga mag-ubos? Ako nanay. Ay, ko.
Basta ba girl?
Uy, okay, I will give you 5 minutes only, ha?
Tapos,
One.
Wow!
Correct. Everyone.
okay man. Okay, ito.
Okay lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this time, group 2 naman ang mauna sa
Yes.
perform. Yes.
Balik mo.
Okay? Yeah.
The finger blow.
Girl, hindi ba? Sige na. Go on.
Whenever you're ready.
So, maano na lang ang
Yes,
lang naman.
then, the group 1, the rest of the group will be guessing kung anong ginag-pick.
Very shit.
Wanna go na ha?
Ang buwan.
Pero music. Di ba dito?
Hindi ini. Thank you lang. Hindi ini. Kaya nga lang ba?
And go! Thank you, group 2, for that wonderful performance. So, what do you think Group 1 ang ilawagin ng convey na message?
Like the father or the mother spear for his son.
Oh, yes.
Mother's
Am I
knows
right?
best.
Are you? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Kaya ako nakamang na parang interpret sa poem.
Okay. Now, this time, let's have a Group 1.
We need space.
Okay.
Hello?
Never remember.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi ka magising ko lang. Hindi na ako.
Hindi ka na ready.
And thank you for that wonderful performance, Group 1. Wow, very nice. Hindi halata na ano ha. Dahil mahal, yes. Hindi siya usas hindi siya clutch.
Okay.
So, I need to form a big circle. Okay. Gamay ng maling reflection. So, one word, ano ng feeling mo? Yes, start na siya.
So this activity, ma'am, like na-express namin ang gusto namin express through ang dance and actions. Like ang mga feelings wala naman niya, hindi namin ma-put into words. Ang may possibilities or like may uniqueness bala ang paghatag namin sa meanings ang gusto namin i-paantag through dance and movement.
How about you, Nico? Thank you, Shia.
Ako nga doon na ano, yung isang paghimo, isang steps man. Kaya gusto ko naman nga lagi na magawa pala ko na. Kaya mga nga, hindi pa naman ako niya, hindi na ako hiwati. Ano?
Yes, thank you, Nico. How about you, Alena?
Na-showcase naman ang amon niya creativity and syempre ang exploration na naman sa use ng amon niya level, space, and also on how we create shapes sa amon body kaya nalagay naman ang dance niya.
How about you, Lenden?
Kung yung mga nagkamdo na enlighten, yung kaalam lang mga movements, ang bagay sa mga narrative bala nga how to interpret the story through movements.
Yes, thank you, Lenden. And lastly, si Anne, please.
Ako na one word lang ako na fulfill.
Wow!
One word.
One word.
Double L. Okay, okay. As that. Anyway, guys, it's a wrap. So I hope na enjoy ka mo sa atin.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Mom.
Lastly, and see you next year for another. Yes.
So sad.
Next time is. Okay.